Rate of work is the amount of work done per unit of time worked. This typist types one report in 6 hours, so his rate is 1/6 of a report per hour. Here's one way to look at this process. In 1 hour, he has 1/6 of it done. Each hour, he gets another 1/6 of the report typed, until after 6 hours, the job is complete. Here's an example of how to figure someone's rate of work. Once we figure the rate of work, we can use that information to solve other problems. Rate of work is the First, we need to determine the painter's rates of work. Before we can compare these rates, we need to rewrite the fractions so the denominators are equal. We know that painter A worked the whole time and painter B took a 2-hour break. Let's use pictures. After 1 hour, painter A has painted 2/24 of the room, and painter B has painted 3/24 of the room. Painter B takes a break, but painter A keeps working. Now that painter B is back on the job, 5/24 of the room are painted each hour, until finally, after 6 hours, the room is done. Now, we'll use algebra to solve the same problem. We'll circle the quantitative information and put a rectangle around the unknown. We know that the amount of work equals rate of work times the number of hours worked. Or, in other words, rate of work is the amount of work done per unit of time. We'll call the time T. Figuring out the equation will be easier if we make a table first. Painter A worked straight through, so we say that painter A worked T hours. Painter B took 2 hours off, so painter B worked T minus 2 hours. Since rate of work equals the work done per unit of time, we know each painter's rate of work. We use the formula for the amount of work done to express painter A's work and painter B's work. Here's the tricky part. Each painter is doing part of one job. The amount of painting painter A has done plus the amount of painting painter B has done will give us one completely painted room. Now we can solve for T. This is the same result we got doing a picture solution. First, we need to determine you